What's up guys, so today's the day. Finally gonna throw on the VRSF catless downpipes. I'm excited. I'm not gonna do a full install video only because I am on a time crunch, so I'll get a little clips here and there of what I'm doing. Annoying thing about these cars is every time you have to get to like your spark plugs, charge pipes, downpipes and all that, you have to remove all of this crap like the intake, strut brace. It's not too bad, it's just super time consuming and annoying. That's why I'm not going to go through and film the whole thing. Finally got all that crap out of the way. Now I can go ahead and unplug the O2 sensors from up here and go ahead and do the same for the bottom, and then start disconnecting the bolts to get them out. And that'll be it. Car's finally up in the air. Just need to go ahead and remove this metal skid plate, and then I believe this one as well, just to disconnect the post-cat O2 sensors. And then it's gonna be 4 11mm bolts connecting the downpipe to the mid pipe, and then I think 13mm bolts for the V-bands to the turbos. Alright, so I got these thick old cats out. Now I'm gonna just swap over the O2 sensors and then throw them back in. Everything's finally back together except for the carbon brace, but I'm gonna just do a startup and make sure there's no leaks or anything. Hopefully everything's fine. Hopefully I fucking tighten everything. What up guys, so it's actually a couple days later and I'm finally gonna try and get some exhaust clips. The car is a little different. It is on a stage 2 tune now, and I do have like a little flame tune, so I'm just gonna get some driving clips of that so you guys can hear how it sounds. I haven't really heard a lot of it yet. Today's the first day I actually did it, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive it now and then see how it is. Hopefully it's not ridiculously loud with the pops. As far as the downpipes and the mid pipe, the car is pretty damn loud. So I'm hoping the pops are good, but not too obnoxious. But it is going to be shooting flames. God. Make sure there's no cops around here. Jesus. Ew. inside to see how it sounds from the outside. I'm actually heading to my homie's shop, RTA, where we all get our alignments. The homie Chris is there. Hang out, probably get some clips over there. Some little revs and stuff like that. It is getting dark, so maybe we'll be able to see some flames. And it is on stage 2 now. I haven't even really pushed it to see how fast it could go compared to the GTS tune I was on. Yeah, look at this guy in the BRZ. He's pulling it in right now. Chris is gonna rev it so I could see it. It did shoot some flames.
So shoot over, I mean rev over 4?
Yeah. And it just let off.